guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be another zodiac inspired video. And for today's video we are going to deal with the zodiac sign Cancer. Cancerians are the most helpful, most caring, most mom-like zodiac sign in this entire world of zodiacs. So I personally feel very attached to Cancerian, especially because my best friend Arsana is a Cancerian and I love her. Like, I love everything about her. Basically, she is like entirely opposite to what I am, and this makeup look is inspired by zodiac aesthetic of Cancerians, and this is the image that I used for it. As you can see, this image used with a lot of green, and as you can see, we did with a lot of green. I hope you guys like this video, how it turns out. And if you want to see how I created this mean green makeup look, please keep on watching. And if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And let's go. Okay guys, so to start today's makeup, I'm using this prep and set spray to prime my skin, and then moving on to foundation, I'm using Lakme Perfecting Foundation for wheatish skin, and I'm going to blend this out using a makeup sponge. Dab, 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 dab. Blend it out. Once I'm done doing that, I'm going on to my brows. For brows, I'm using this gray brown shade just to fill in the gaps. And then to clean up, I'm using a concealer, and I'll bring it down to my lid as well to act as a eyeshadow base. I'm going to fluff it out, blend it out, and then I'm going to use a setting powder to set that eye base or concealer that I used. So using a transition shade, this taupe color, and I'm going to fill in my crease and also going to fill in my lid with this taupe color to give my eyeshadow a little bit of transition shade. And then taking this medium green color, which is very cool tone green, I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. And then taking a darker green shade, I'm going to apply it to the outer corner to give my eyeshadow a little bit of dimension. And for the inner corner, I'm using light green shade in my inner corners, and then I'm going to blend everything up. For the lower lash line, first of all, I'm going to conceal my under eye area and blend it out using a makeup sponge. And then to set it, I'm using a setting powder on the concealer so my concealer won't crease. Then using the same darker green shade, I'm going to apply it to the lower lash line to smoke it out. Then for liner, I'm using a black gel liner. I'm going to also wing it out a little. Then to contour my face, I'm going to use a brown lipstick, and I'm going to blend it using a makeup sponge. I applied it on the cheekbones, jawlines, forehead. Then to bronze up my skin, I'm using this cool tone brown and warm tone brown together, applying on my cheekbones, jawlines. And for blush, I'm using this peach and warm tone brown. For highlighting, I'm using this white highlight on my cheekbones. For lipstick, I'm using this light brown and dark brown to kind of contour my lips as well. And then to set everything, I'm using the setting spray, and then I'm going to apply mascara because it's not waterproof. And that was it guys, that was how I created this mean green Cancerian look, and I'm just calling this a mean green look, but Cancerians are not mean at all. They're the most lovable people on this planet. And if you like my video, give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below, let me know how you like this video, and thank you for watching guys. Bye.